Waters, Joan Waters, it's the place to be! Yeah!
Hello and welcome to the Joan Waters pre-show show.
A scientific lesson on the magical, wonderful world of cells.
So we're going to talk about cells today, but we didn't want you guys to be confused, so we decided to go over some of the things you'll need to know.
Yep. So here is a very good drawn diagram of a cell. So we're going to go over the different organelles and what their job is in the cell. So first off, we have the cell wall.
That is this black cell wall.
It gives support and shape to the cell. And we have the nucleus right there, the big red thing in the middle, and that stores genetic information, which is also DNA. We have endoplasmic reticulum.
Yep, right there.
It produces proteins and lipids. We have some cute little ribosomes.
Yep, they're just hanging out in there.
Tiny organelles that link amino acids together to form proteins. And the Golgi apparatus.
Right there.
It processes, stores, and delivers proteins. We have a vesicle.
A vesicle right there. Those little...
There are many vesicles. They divide materials from the rest of the cytoplasm and transport them from place to place. We have the mitochondria, which looks like a cute little jelly bean. And that supplies energy to the cell. We have lysosomes.
They are all around. Yep. Right there.
They contain enzymes. We have a centroid.
Yeah,
That up there.
Yep. Right
Yep. And that is a cylinder-shaped organelle that is made of short microtubules arranged in circles. And that is all we have for today. Woo! Go cells!
Tune in later. Yeah.
Everyone, and welcome to the Joan Waters Show! Where me and Flo tell you all you need to know.
Yeah, today we have a very special guest. Drum roll, please.
Robert Hug! Well, folks, welcome back. We are sure hoping that he is all okay.
It's just bent in a couple places it shouldn't be, but we should be okay.
All right. I'm glad you're okay. We have something for you to help calm you down a little. That was a little dramatic. Okay, yep. Just a little dramatic. Just a little water here.
Can't feel anything. It's like...
Okay, well, we're going to continue our interview, and like I said, we have Robert Hooke here.
Hello. Hi.
And he was the first to discover and name cells. Guilty as charged.
Yes.
So, we're going to ask him a few questions about, how did you discover these cells?
Do you want me to tell the story?
Yeah, just
The
tell
whole
us
story.
thing.
Well, I was having a very stressful day, very stressful girlfriend, jobs, you know how it is. And so I went home. I was like, you know what? I deserve a glass of wine. Because I do. I deserve one now. Like one now, actually.
Well, all we have is water,
Okay.
so you're
Well,
just gonna...
anyway, so I popped the cork. And it flew away.
Wow.
I was like,
Wow.
could my day get any worse? I mean, really?
Yeah.
But I went to go get the cork, and I picked it up, and I thought, I wonder what this is. So, got out my trusty microscope. I had named it Old Trusty.
Yep.
And I put it under. I was like, whoa! Sorry, I'm sorry. And so, I said, whoa, man, what's going on? What's going on? And it looked like, do you know what it looked like?
What?
It looked like tiny compartments. Okay? And so, I named it cells after the monastery, I'm sorry, in the church. So, that's what I named it after. That's how cells became cells. My bad day turned into a good day.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's
That's brilliant.
What a great discovery.
Thank you.
Cells, yes.
Yes.
That's what it is.
Thank you for naming them and finding them.
Yes.
All right. We have another guest coming, so we're going to we're gonna have to leave here soon.
All right.
Would you like some help?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay. Medic.
Hold on 1 minute. We're gonna cut here. Bye.
We interrupt this program to give you this special message. If you see this man, run. Run for the hills and mountains. If you see him, this is what you must do. interviewed, Joan decided that she must go with Hook to the hospital just to make sure he was okay. So for now, I'm just riding solo. But anyway, now we are back, and we have a very special guest who's going to tell us more about the new thing called cells. Back with Matthias Schloden, something of that nature.
I am Matthias Sheldon.
He is here today to tell us about not the cells that are found in corks or any of that, but in plants. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Can you tell us the story of how you discovered them?
Well, I was studying the plant tissue in my compound microscope, and I decided that all plants are made of cells. Like that one. That plant is made of cells. This is made of cells.
Are you sure about that?
And yes, and
Every
this
single one?
And this one
Oh
is
my-
made of
okay.
cells too.
Okay, great.
Yes, yes. And this one,
Okay.
this one has cells.
Okay,
So all of them have cells, and they all have little like cell walls and organelles.
Wow. That is quite interesting. I would have never known
Thank
that.
you for
Okay,
having me.
goodbye.
Well, thank you for joining us on the Joan Water Show.
Thank you so much. It's been great.
Come back next week, and we'll have. Oh my goodness,
gosh.
there he is.
Oh my gosh. Run.
Okay, go.
Loofahs.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
Hello, girls.
Hi, Mom.
That's a good one tonight.
Loofahs. Oh.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Loofahs. Oh my gosh. Stop.
Joan Waters.
So for now, I'm riding solo.
Dang it, okay, hold on.
I am Matthias Sheldon.
So Matthias, today you're here to tell us more about the wonderful cells.
Stop! I can't look at you.
Program for a very important what? If you see him, this
Hey, let me do it.
Discovered animal cells. Yes. Animal cells. And
Yes, nice cat.
yes. And I experiment on my cats.
Yes.
Cats. Experiments. And, can we redo this? I don't know.
Yeah,
what I'm saying.
I don't either.
I don't know what accent to do.
Okay.
Hear the drums, they swing low, and the trumpets, they go. And they playing for you, girl, and the trumpets, they go. Yeah, the trumpets, they go.